Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit house for a baby shower. First, gather all your materials, like pre-baked biscuit shapes and plenty of royal icing. You'll need a sturdy base, perhaps a 10-inch cake board, to build upon. Begin by piping a generous line of royal icing along the edges of your biscuit pieces to form the walls. It's crucial to let each section dry for at least 15 minutes before adding the next, ensuring a strong structure. Now, let's add some charm to your biscuit house walls. Opt for soft, pastel-colored royal icing, perfect for a baby shower theme. You can pipe delicate windows and a welcoming door onto the biscuit surfaces. For extra detail, gently press tiny candies or colorful sprinkles into the wet icing. A little edible glitter can also add a magical, sparkling touch, making your house truly enchanting for the celebration. Next, it's time to construct the roof. Join two biscuit pieces at an angle using royal icing to create the roof peak. Once dry, carefully attach this entire roof structure to the top of your house walls. You can decorate the roof with edible shingles, perhaps made from thin biscuit slices, for a realistic look. Finally, add a sweet edible baby figure or tiny sugar flowers near the entrance for a heartwarming touch. Your beautiful biscuit house is almost ready for its grand reveal. Carefully place it on a lovely decorative platter or a sturdy cake stand. To enhance the scene, surround the house with edible green grass made from shredded coconut or tiny sugar animals. For storage, keep your masterpiece in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. This delightful edible centerpiece will surely be a highlight of the baby shower.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.